Hello traders, in this video I would like to share with you the story of how one of our traders became a prop firm trader by winning a challenge at the start of 2022. Right, so this is the story of TM Babs. On the 6th of January, as you can see, he wished us a happy new year and he announced that I'll be taking part on one of the prop firm challenge to start 2022. Anyone on this with me? Not too active of social media, but I'll give an update from time to time. The plan is to pass the challenge using the banana strategy. So this is the banana strategy, you can get it, and the risk will be 1:3. The time frame is a 1 minute time frame. And then he goes on in the messages and he tells us on the 6th of January that it is going to be 250k challenge with E8 funding. Let's do it, either fail or pass, time will tell, because we got 30 days to do it. And then he wishes himself good luck and everyone else. And guess what? That was the 6th of January. On the 13th of January, Mr. TM Babs comes with a letter and shares it with us that he has won the challenge. So within just 1 week, he was able to win the challenge by taking only, I remember 7 trades is all it took for him to win the challenge, thanks to the banana strategy, says TM Babs. So yes, on the 13th of January, he announced that he has just passed the 250k real money challenge and now about to get funded and start trading their demo account money to real money. So basically they give you a demo account and then you do the challenge, and if you hit the challenge then they give you a real money account and you start making money. So he won the challenge starting on the 6th of January. On the 13th of January he had already won the challenge. He shared with us that he was trading gold and the Nasdaq 100 on the 1 minute chart. His strategy was to take a trade with 1:3 risk to reward ratio. So this is it, the banana method, and the money management is my secret, says TM Babs, of trading Forex now. I do use what I call asymmetric compounding money management. It's like reverse martingale. So basically what he does is that he will take a 1% trade on the first trade. If it's a winner, then the next he's going to take 1.5. so that's one of the versions that we have as well. So you can start with 1%, and if it's a winner, then the next trade that you take you're going to risk 3%, but if that one was a loser you would come back to 1%. So in doing so, in 3, 4, maybe 6 to 7 trades you can win the challenge. That's how he's explained it over here. If I win, that's 3%. My next trade I'll take risk 2%. If I lose the 1% lower, my risk go to 0.5%. So this is an interesting one. Only 2 to 3 trade needed to pass a prop firm challenge using this method, thanks to IMI, that's me, for decades of experience together, and the banana strategy, he says. That was the 13th of January, and within another 2 weeks he shared with us E8 funded trader certificate of payout and that's $15,103. So on the 6th of January he starts the challenge. 13th of January he's won the challenge, and 2 weeks later he shared with us that he has been paid $15,103. So that is the story of TM Babs.